Ever tried to share the good news and then it didn't feel like good news to the people listening? And he just cuts me off. He says, if I go to heaven and my parents go to hell, I'd rather be in hell with them than in heaven without. And I went, ooh, this doesn't sound like good news, does it? What is the gospel? Is it just about where you go when you die? Is it just fire insurance? I believe the gospel that Jesus taught is so much bigger and actually will feel like good news for the world today. This isn't just good news for us, it's good news for the world because the world is broken and Jesus is the solution. There is no other way for the world to become the kind of world that was meant to be without Jesus. Come join me as we explore the gospel as Jesus taught it.